Jagdeep Dhankar hakajing rakhe yaka centenary year convocation jongka Jamia Millia Islamia ha New Delhi ulaong bagajing don jong kibriu betebit kalong kabadon kam nak benta bante yakari. Yakren ke jilla Meghalaya bat Assam yaki laitali ki benta ki badon jing yaka jia khaput on selet ke kenhun jongka regional committees ban jingo yaka West Dimoria haka arpun rio turik unailar layat ho usimbot menteri rangba ke jilla iba Preston Tensong. Persya ka seng gisamla pule ka nehu ya ka jing pentrekam bakirki ya ka National Education Policy arhajar arpau na ka benta ki jing pule undergraduate. Bat kintu Secretary ke NEC UK Moses badai ban pendon kam de ki jing start ka juk menta ne ki artificial intelligence ban weng ya ki jing e ka biadai ba ki jing shna surok ka thanj de la mi ni. Ki khubor ki babnia u Vice President Kari u Jagdeep Dhankar ulaong baki samla ki dei ban penkop bor yalade om da kaba shubuat yaki kamsan hima Henry ki dei ban pentebet yalade hakikam bapher bat ban te yak jing em jongki haka rukom kababha bat dei ban don ka thong bat kata ka long ban wanra yak jing bha haka saudong saukun bat ka em lang sa lang ula kren yakane haka jing lang penkop burom yaki samla bela pendep yaki jing pule haka jing rakhe jing dap shi spasnem ne ka centenary year convocation jongka Jamia Millia Islamia ha Vigyan Bhavan ha New Delhi menta ka sngi u Vice President ula benrap baka jingdon jongki brio ki batebit kalong ka badon kam bha ban kentiu yakari ula ai kita kemaksiar shiki samla bawan shakmat bat ula kentu yaki baki dei ban long ki nong sedang yaki kam lajong bat long ru ki nong penmi yaki buit trekam themai.
The empowerment of human resource is a vital ingredient in nation building. The youth have to empower themselves not by political intoxication, but through the mechanism of capacity building and personality development with the ultimate objective of nurturing a healthy environment.
Regional Committee ya kabala khli do simbot menteri rangba ka jilla iba Preston Tensong klapen long ya gajing yalang bat ki dekhot jong ka kenhun Regional Committee na Assam ya kabala khli da menteri jilla u Atul Bora ha Assam State Guest House ha khana para nen ka sngi sajjan ha kate gajing lang la ya don lang Deputy Commissioner ka Meghalaya bat Assam ki bala a ya ki presentation ha ki laitali ki benta Bodwar Nongwa Mautamur bat West Dimoria. Hadian kane iba Tensong ilayat hu ba on sadan shu sa kawe ka jingalang ka bansalong haka arpusan tarik unailar. On sa penlong ru ya ka jingle jingo iki jaka khaput West Dimoria haka arpun rio tarik unailar haka jingadon lang ki briu sarkar kinong yalam shnong na baro artli ki jilla kinthop ru ya ki dikhot jong ka District Council la benrap iba Tensong.
We had a meeting where we already taken a decision relating to 3 areas of differences. One is Desh Damria, number 2 is Mautamur, Nongwa Mautamur, and the third one is Bodwar.
After that, on 26, on 25th, we will sit again, and on 26, we'll visit not all the areas because it would be difficult to cover all the areas. We'll visit this Dimoria site.
Ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union kala persya ya kajing pentrekam ya ka National Education Policy arhajar arpo na kabenta ki samla pule undergraduate course na kabenta kane ka samoy pule habakren shikilat pathai khubor hin ka sngi ki dikhot jong ka union kila kam baha ka jing shim ya ka te ka rai om shim la pan lang ya ka rai jong ka University Academic Council bar ka jilla kampat long kabla penkre ban le ya ka NEP I Finance Secretary ka Nehu Students Union I Mandor ding do ilaong ba ka NEP kan wanra jing e kat ba ompat biang ki jing te ki babiang ha gejella ila ong ru ba ka jing pentrekam ya ke NEP ha ubanai nailar kalong ke aka ke bla shushim rai kirki I Vice President jong ka Union I Eastern Sun Sotun ru ila ai jing kren ha ka jing lang bar ki nong tho khubor.
This new educational policy has been brought into light and it's been swiftly implemented by the Vice Chancellor. The students, also the teachers are all shocked at this swift implementation. Some of the people, I think most of the people doesn't really know much about this NEP, but the Vice Chancellor has took a big leap to to take such such big step would be detrimental to students' career.
Ka limpong jing ekren bala tip kum ka 1 week 1 lab workshop hakabia day bat ki jing shnai ki surok hakatan ste la mingi ya ka bala penlong da ka CSIR la penkut no ha North Eastern Council Auditorium Hall hinin ka sngi hakani ka limpong jing ta le ekren shapang ki jing e ki bajia kendo hakapor ba shnai ki surok ki linti sin kien bat ka jing shnai ki jing te ki bia day bat ka jing ya ki kali ki jingkit nakadaw jong ka jinglong ka jaka hakani ka than ukong san jong ka jingelang uke Moses ubalong u secretary ka North Eastern Council ula banjur badai ban pindon kam da kijing start ka juk menta kata ki artificial intelligence ban pinduna yakini kijing e ki biakendu ha ka jing shnai ki surok bar ki jing te na ka benta ban yat ki kali ki jingkit ha ka than stil mi ngi ka India.
Finding out by the scientists, engineers, researchers, and technical people like the astute get into it. After the technology has come, it needs to go up to a maturity level. Otherwise, the technology does not take off. 3D printing has been there for the last 25-30 years or more. But maturity took some time, quite a long time. But now it is mature for full deployment. That's what I would like to say. Then the acceptability. New technology is not easily accepted and then deploy on the field.
I simbot menteri rangba ka jilla iba sniaw bahalang dhar ila khot ba ya wer ki khenna bat samla pule baki dei ban wat ikilat kilenti ki baki la ban pendan kam ki sap ki phong bakirpang ka jingla bat ka jing tibet jongki hakiliang ba pher habakren ha ka sikut jong ka jing rakhe ya ka mulong Presbyterian College Foundation iba dhar ila kintu ki samla pule bakim dei ban shania tang hakikam sarkar shu iba dhar ila yaro ya ka jing trei shitom jong ka mulong Presbyterian College hakabia dei bat ka pule puthi yakani ka jing rakhe la penlong haphalau jong ka mulong Presbyterian High Secondary School balayo aru ya ka jing palat pat ba ya ka kot sa kan mau jong ka college de ikongsan kum kadak ban penpau ya ka jing don ringkat bat ka jing long kawei bat kinong Manipur ki bayai beteng ban mat ya ka jing e ba crown na ka daw ka jing ya sngaw ya pher jat ben riu la penlong da ka jing ya thang mombati ha Don Bosco Square lain kra mata ka sngi ban penpau ya ka jing sngaw khia ya ka jing long jing man ha Manipur bat ban pen rem ru ya ka jing nyon ben ya ki kenthei kinong ya shimenta ki la dawa ba dei ban penkut no ya ki jing ya kan at ha ka te ka jilla Ka Meghalaya Yogasan Sports Association but ka East Khasi Hills District Yogasan Sports Association ringkat lang kilay panlong ya ka 3rd District Level Yogasan Sports Championship arhajar arpulai hasilong mata ka sngi lawan banya shimenta da kilay pusan ngut kinong shimenta ya kani ka jingya kop la play da Uprabha Shankar Shukla Vice Chancellor jo ka North Eastern Hill University kum ukongsan Mentapat nganyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sumineng ha shilong. Ka jing shet kalong arpusan point san degree Celsius, bat ka jing kriat kalong kat pra point san degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong prapuwe na ka shi spa min step, bat nyo pusan na ka shi spa jan meet. Ka jing hap slap kalong 0.0 millimeters. Kandon ka jing hap slap ba malumala ha buon ki jaka. Shwaban poy siya kapukot jong ka tup kubon nganyapet biyang sashi siya ni kimat bakongsan. Yashim bentau Vice President Kari ujak dibdhankar hakajing rakhe ya ka Centenary Year Convocation jong ka Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi ulaong bagajing don jong kibiu betibet kalong kabadon kam na kabentaban te ya Kari. Yakren ke jilla Meghalaya bat Assam ya ki laitali ki benta ki badon jing ya ka jia khaput on select ke kenhun jong ka regional committees ban jingo ya ka West Timoria haka arpun rio turik unailar la yatho usimbut menteri rangba ke jillai ba Preston Tinsong. Persya ka seng ki samla pule ka nehu ya ka jing pentrekam bakirki ya ka National Education Policy arhajar arpo na ka benta ki jing pule undergraduate. Bat kintu Sekretari ke NEC UK Moses badai ban pendon kam da kijing start ke juk menta negi artificial intelligence ban wengi kijing ke biade kijing shna surok hakatan stela mi ni. Te parlok kat tungi la poi syaka bakot jong ka thup kubor jungi menta ka janmit haduk bagi de syambiang bat pi la syai ke sengi keblai pi baro.
क्यों परेशान